This right here is one of my online businesses that generates me money online. And you can see me right here. There I am. There you go. And what I want to do is show you the income right here from this business. And this is the income right here that is being generated from that specific site that I just showed you. And then what I want to do is I want to refresh this so you know that I haven't messed with any code. And this is legitimate. We've had no sales today. If we go to all and search, you'll see that it is the same amount right there. And this is an award from another business that I have online. And this is another reward. And I have more. Oh, and I have this award right here. So I know how to actually make money online. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to actually make money online. Make sure you stay all the way to the end because this is packed with value. Let's get started and I'll show you how to actually make money online. No BS guide. This is what everybody is doing right now. So this is the exact blueprint I use in my business every single day to make a full-time living online. I also use this blueprint to get free stuff. Most of the stuff that I get in my life is completely free. I got a free iPhone and I get free gift vouchers to go shopping and I get free flights wherever I want to go all the time. And I'll explain to you exactly how that works. And most people are going to watch this video and they're going to go back to their daily lives and they're not going to take action. But what I want is if you are watching this video and you're serious about actually starting a business online and making some money online, I encourage you to watch this video all the way to the end because it could potentially change your life. And what do I mean by that? I've made a lot of money online. I've started a lot of businesses online. I've sold businesses online. And I'm giving you literally the knowledge that I know that I've built up over at least 15 years of working online. This is knowledge that people will pay hundreds and thousands of dollars for that I'm giving you for free. I've had people offer me thousands of dollars for this knowledge. I'm giving it to you for free right now. So trust me, if you want to actually understand online and make money, this is the video for you. I get free everything. I have a business that makes me money and I'm going to explain to you exactly how I do that. So let's get started. And this is how 99% of businesses online actually operate, including e-commerce stores as well. So let's get started. First of all, if you want to start a business online, you need to solve a problem. This is the key to starting a problem. You need to start a problem. Don't worry about my writing. I really don't care. Let's just get into it. I'm using a garbage mouse. You need to solve a problem. What could that problem be? Maybe you're running an e-commerce store and you're selling a product that solves a problem. Maybe you're selling an info product that solves a problem. You need to solve a problem. Find a problem, offer a solution. Super easy. So how do we do that? You don't need to reinvent the wheel. In fact, you can I'm not going to say copy, but you can go and reverse engineer other people's products and offers, and you can sell what they are selling or similar to what they are selling. So how do you get started? Now keep in mind, everyone thinks this is the hardest part and it's actually not that difficult. Let me show you an example of someone solving a problem right now. Right here is an advertisement I just found before I did this video. I was on Facebook and it popped up. Super simple. This guy is solving a problem by providing an instant course kit to people for $9. He's solving a problem for people that want to create a course. They can't be bothered creating a course. It takes too long. So he provides a system to make that faster for them. On that page, he has an upsell where he upsells other things for $10. He gives away 6,000 reels, which he probably didn't create himself. I'll explain to you in a second how that works. And then also he gives away a ultimate prompt pack where he's probably just used ChatGPT to create 3,000 prompts. Let me just show you real quick. I'll show you right now how that works. I'll go to ChatGPT. I want 1,000 advertising prompts. ChatGPT is going to do that for me and I can sell them. How easy is that? There we go. So simple. Okay. So I'm just going to let that work in the background, but this is a funnel where someone solved a problem. Now, what he can also do is very simple. Go to Google, PLR products. You can sell PLR products. What PLR products are is they're products that other people have created. You can resell these. And that's where he got those 6,000 reels from. So he's selling products that he hasn't even created. They're not even his. So there's thousands, millions of PLR products that you can promote. That's a simple funnel right there. So, and we'll use that for an example, is that he found a problem, which was people want to create courses, but they probably don't understand how to create courses and they want to do it quicker as well. So he solved a problem. So how does he make money? I'm just going to use him for an example, guys, but there's lots of examples you can use. If you want to, you can just sell AI prompts for $10 as the front end, okay? Or you could sell an affiliate product. But let me show you, like, you can literally print money with this stuff. I'm not kidding. You can print money. Once you predictably know the cost of this, you can print money. So listen up. Super simple. We have a offer, okay? Like I just showed you, that guy's offer was $9. You have an offer where you promote your solution. This is your solution. Simple. He sold it for $9. And then on the other pages where people go to purchase, he had a couple of upsells. I can't remember the price, $10 or something. So we'll just say, let's just keep it low, $5. And then he has another one for whatever, $9 or something, right? Okay. This is where the power of advertising and marketing comes into play. What we do as expert marketers and people that make money online, we do not give about making profits right now. We don't care because it's simple. We want to get free emails. That's all that we care about. And this is where 99% of people get making money online completely wrong. It's so easy to understand. Let me help you understand. This is an email list. I have an email list personally of 500,000 people. And over 200,000 of those people have purchased a product from me. I could promote a software right now and I can go and probably make a lot of money. And I do that. Why? Because I built up an email list. So simple. My camera's about to go flat, so I might vanish in a second, but I want to get this out. So what we do is, you see this $9, $5, $9. What we do is we have a barrier at the end of this. And all we want to do is we're going to send Facebook traffic, YouTube traffic, paid traffic to this particular offer. Let's say we spend $1,000 or $100 or whatever. If we make $1,000 at the end of our little funnel that we've created, and we might have like a couple more offers in there, whatever, we're getting free emails. We are getting free emails. So then what we can do is we can make dollars on the back end with these free emails that we have got. Even if the emails are costing me like 50 cents or 20 cents or something, if I haven't got like, the right amount of optimization here, I'm still getting emails. Okay, I have an email list. Then what I can do with my email list that I'm building up, I can go, okay, I want to make some money today. I go and find a PLR product and I promote that PLR product. I create my own products, so I don't need to do that, but I could go and take that PLR product and I could promote it, or an affiliate offer, and I can promote it to that email list and literally print money. Do you understand the power of this? You see all of these ads everywhere and you're like, how are people, why are people always making this course and stuff? That's why. Now, how do I get stuff? I get a credit card that gives me air points and bonuses for spending money. So I get rewarded for running advertising because I'm spending money on ads. So I'm getting free phones. I'm getting free flights. I haven't paid for a flight around anywhere for the last 10 years. I'm going overseas again soon and it's all for free. Like, it's mind blowing. This is how you start and make an online business. You spend money on advertising. You send that advertising to an offer where you've solved a problem. And let's call that offer the solution. That is the solution. And then what we're doing is we are making sure that we are making our money back for the advertising in the funnel that we have on the Facebook ads. And then we're building an email list for free. We do not care We do understand this for a second. We don't care if we make no money here. We just want to break even. Now, most of us have optimized to make money here. I make money I do make profit here, but it doesn't matter if I don't break even. Now, once I've broken even, I've done all my testing, I've broken even, I can then send as much money as I want to this funnel and get free emails. And then in the email backend, I can promote products. Let me show you one of my email backends right now. I have days of content where I'm making money. Now, while that's loading, you might think, I don't have any money for ads. Neither did I. I started advertising with $100 back in the day, a long time ago, $100. You don't need a lot of money to start advertising because you're going to be making the money back. Okay. All right. So I'm in my automation here. You'll see that we have people going through these automation things. I don't remember what this one is. Let's just click it, have a look. I can't remember. General thing. 9,000 people have gone through this. Look at this. This is days of emails, days and days and days and days of emails where I'm making money in the back end of my business after I've pushed people through with advertising. Days and days of emails where I'm making money every single day in this particular list, this automation system. This is all automated once it's set up. What's this one here? Okay, this one here was all right, my camera's got flat. This one here was an affiliate marketing promotion that I did. I do remember that I made about 150 grand on this US. So I sent out an email to 3,000 people. I got them into this little automation thing where it was only a few emails where I sent out a book, and then the people that made the product, they did the rest of the work for me. All right. So this is literally how you make money online. You build funnels that make you break even. Okay. And then you go ahead and promote with your email list. That's it. That's it. The same thing works with e-commerce stores. That's the same thing. Now, most e-commerce stores are a little bit different because they actually want to run profitable ads. So they're a little bit different to info products. But when I was running my e-commerce brand, I didn't really care about making profit on my ads. I made all my profit on my email marketing. All right, guys, I'll see you in another video. If you want to make money online, this is the way to do it. I can guarantee you right here that this guy that I just showed you before, he's probably making all of his money on this little advertisement here. And then he's making a bunch more money in the back end with other products, email marketing, everything like this. He's got 2,000 comments, 1,000 shares, 5K reactions. He's spent a lot of money on ads. This is working. This isn't like playtime. He has made a lot of money. I know he has based off those stats. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next video. That's how you actually make money online.